Welcome to the GreenMech TV channel. This is the Interceptor, a revolutionary machine developed by the Ocean Cleanup to remove plastic waste from rivers before it ever reaches the ocean. Fully solar-powered and automated, it's designed to operate 24/7 with minimal human intervention. Positioned in high-pollution waterways, the Interceptor uses a floating barrier to guide plastic waste into its collection system. A conveyor belt then lifts the debris from the water and deposits it into onboard dumpsters. Once full, the dumpsters are offloaded and the system resets, ready to continue intercepting pollution with precision and consistency. Its sleek, catamaran-style hull is optimized for stability, allowing it to withstand changing currents and weather conditions. Onboard sensors monitor operation in real time, while remote systems track waste volume and system performance. By tackling the plastic problem at the river level, the Interceptor targets the source, stopping millions of kilograms of plastic before they disperse into the world's oceans. It's scalable, effective, and an inspiring example of how clean tech engineering can reshape the future of environmental protection. Meet the world's first crowd-controlled trash cleaning robot, developed by Urban Rivers. Floating in the Chicago River, this aquatic bot lets anyone online take control and help clean up plastic and debris in real time. It's part environmental solution, part interactive experience, blending robotics, gaming, and public engagement into one fun and impactful mission. Simple, effective, and surprisingly addictive, this is cleaning with a click. This is a zero-emission trash skimmer boat, powered by a Torqeedo electric motor. Quiet, clean, and highly efficient. It glides through marinas and urban waterways, collecting floating debris without disturbing wildlife or producing harmful emissions. Its front mesh intake funnels trash directly into the onboard collection bin, while the electric drive ensures hours of operation on a single charge. It's a perfect blend of sustainability and functionality, keeping waters clean with zero pollution, zero noise, and maximum impact. This is the G2 Intelligent Unmanned Cleaning Robot, a fully autonomous surface cleaning vessel designed to collect floating debris from lakes, rivers, and harbors. Equipped with real-time sensors, GPS navigation, and AI-powered route planning, it operates independently with minimal human input. The wide intake at the front collects floating trash efficiently, while avoiding obstacles and marine life through intelligent detection. Powered by clean electric motors, this robot produces zero emissions and minimal noise, making it ideal for use in eco-sensitive areas. With its sleek, catamaran-style hull, it maintains stability even in choppy waters, maximizing trash collection with every pass. It's a glimpse into the future of smart, sustainable waterway maintenance, quiet, precise, and always on duty. This garbage collection boat from Italy is a powerful example of how maritime cleanup can be done efficiently, safely, and sustainably. Designed to patrol coastal waters, harbors, and canals, it collects floating debris ranging from plastic waste to organic matter with ease. The vessel features a wide front intake that skims the surface, funneling trash into a central containment area. Its onboard conveyor system lifts debris out of the water, allowing the boat to operate continuously without the need for manual handling. Equipped with electric or hybrid propulsion, it runs quietly and emits little to no pollution, protecting both aquatic ecosystems and urban air quality. With its compact size and agile maneuvering, it's ideal for navigating narrow waterways and densely trafficked ports. This Italian innovation demonstrates that smart marine technology can play a direct role in environmental protection, restoring the beauty and health of our waters, one pass at a time. After a major storm, ports can become clogged with debris, from broken branches to floating trash. This specialized skimmer boat is designed to respond quickly, gliding through the water and collecting surface waste before it spreads or sinks. Equipped with a front intake and onboard filtration system, it traps debris efficiently while protecting marine life. Fast, agile, and environmentally friendly, it's a vital part of post-storm recovery, restoring safety and cleanliness to coastal waters. Floating debris in rivers isn't just unsightly, it disrupts ecosystems, clogs drainage systems, and often ends up in our oceans. That's where machines like this floating river cleaner come in, offering an efficient, mobile solution to capture waste directly from the water's surface before it spreads downstream. This river cleaning machine operates on a catamaran-style platform, with pontoons that keep it stable even in moving water. At the front, a wide intake channel funnels debris inward. As the boat moves forward, surface waste is guided into a collection conveyor, which lifts and stores it in onboard baskets or bins for later removal. Driven by electric or hybrid propulsion, the system produces minimal noise and zero direct emissions. This makes it safe for wildlife and perfect for operation near urban centers or eco-sensitive zones. Solar panels often supplement power, allowing extended autonomous operation with low maintenance requirements. What sets this machine apart is its simplicity and adaptability. It can be remotely operated or set to follow predefined routes using GPS navigation. With built-in sensors, it can detect and adjust for current speed, trash density, and obstacles, ensuring efficient performance in all conditions. In flood-prone or high-litter rivers, it plays a vital role in preventing waste accumulation and infrastructure blockages. By removing plastic bottles, styrofoam, food packaging, and organic matter, it helps keep waterways flowing clean and free, improving water quality and reducing mosquito breeding zones. More than just cleanup, it's a symbol of modern environmental stewardship, combining smart design, renewable energy, and real-world impact to tackle one of the most pressing issues in river pollution. With machines like this, cities and communities are taking action, not just reacting to pollution, but actively preventing it at the source. This is the WaterGator, a versatile, remote-controlled aquatic machine designed to harvest weeds, skim debris, and collect floating waste from lakes, ponds, and waterways. Built on a lightweight, catamaran-style platform, the WaterGator glides smoothly across the surface using electric propulsion. Its front-mounted cutting head slices through aquatic vegetation with precision, while an integrated skimmer collects floating trash in real time. With remote operation, users can control it from the shore, making it ideal for hard-to-reach or shallow areas where larger boats can't go. It's efficient, silent, and highly maneuverable, delivering effective results with minimal environmental impact. From algae to plastic waste, the WaterGator helps maintain clean, navigable waters, combining smart tech and sustainable design in one compact, reliable solution. Gliding quietly across the water, this compact river-cleaning robot from China collects floating debris with precision and zero emissions, a small but powerful step toward cleaner urban waterways. Engineered for large-scale aquatic maintenance, the Ultratrex WH80-2 is a powerful weed harvesting machine designed to tackle overgrowth in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs with unmatched efficiency. Mounted on a rugged amphibious chassis, the harvester moves steadily across water while using a wide cutting head to slice through dense vegetation. Its dual conveyors lift the cut material on board, allowing for continuous collection and minimal downtime. Built for stability and strength, The WH-80-2 handles thick biomass and floating weeds that would otherwise choke waterways and disrupt natural flow. The harvested material can later be offloaded for composting or bioenergy production, turning a problem into a resource. Despite its size, the machine operates with precision, thanks to hydraulic controls and modular attachments. It can work in shallow waters, narrow canals, or wide-open lakes, adapting easily to different aquatic environments. With every pass, the Ultratrex restores balance to water ecosystems, improves flow, and supports biodiversity. It's not just removing weeds, it's rebuilding the health of our rivers, one swath at a time. In action here is the Cleantec Infras trash skimmer, one of India's most advanced solutions for cleaning rivers and urban waterways. Designed with functionality and efficiency at its core, this machine removes floating waste such as plastic bottles, leaves, and organic debris before it can clog stormwater systems or reach larger bodies of water. Built on a stable catamaran frame, the skimmer features a wide front collection arm that directs trash toward a conveyor mechanism. As the vessel moves forward, the rotating conveyor lifts debris onto the deck, where it's stored in onboard containers for later offloading. This continuous operation ensures maximum waste collection with minimal disruption to the water. Powered by clean engines and built for shallow waters, the machine can operate in canals, lakes, and rivers without damaging ecosystems. Its compact design and excellent maneuverability make it perfect for densely populated or hard-to-access zones. More than just hardware, it represents a scalable model of urban water management. With easy maintenance, low emissions, and real-time performance monitoring, the Cleantec skimmer supports both short-term cleanup and long-term sustainability goals. In rapidly growing cities where river pollution is a growing concern, machines like this bring real measurable impact, turning polluted waterways into cleaner, safer spaces for people and nature alike. Rolling gently across the shoreline, this beach cleaning machine rakes through the sand to collect hidden debris, plastic fragments, and other waste left behind by tides or visitors. Its vibrating mesh filters separate trash from clean sand, returning it smoothly to the beach surface. Fast, efficient, and eco-friendly, it helps restore the natural beauty of coastal areas while protecting marine ecosystems from plastic pollution. Clean beaches start with smart machines like this. Navigating gently through the water, this river trash collection boat is built to capture floating waste before it disperses into larger ecosystems. Its wide front scoop funnels debris toward a conveyor system, which lifts and stores the material in onboard containers for proper disposal. Engineered for continuous operation, the boat is ideal for heavily polluted rivers, industrial waterways, and urban canals. Its catamaran design offers stability and maneuverability, even in tight or shallow areas. Powered by a low-emission engine or hybrid system, it minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. The simplicity of its design makes it easy to deploy, maintain, and scale. Operators can quickly offload collected waste and return the vessel to service with minimal downtime, keeping waterways clean and reducing the volume of plastics reaching our oceans. By removing visible waste at the surface level, this boat not only restores the beauty of urban rivers, but also improves water flow, reduces flood risks, and supports healthier aquatic ecosystems. It's a practical solution with powerful results, one cleanup route at a time. Gliding steadily across the river, this floating plastic collector is designed to intercept and remove surface waste before it flows downstream. Anchored strategically, it uses the river's natural current to guide plastic and debris into its wide mouth, where a conveyor lifts the material onto a containment platform. Unlike heavy machinery, this system is lightweight, modular, and easy to deploy, making it perfect for urban rivers, narrow canals, or flood-prone areas. It runs on clean energy, minimizing emissions, while quietly operating day and night. Its simplicity is its strength. No need for complex controls or constant supervision. Local crews can offload the collected waste regularly, keeping maintenance low and operations continuous. It's scalable, cost-effective, and ideal for countries facing rising plastic pollution without heavy infrastructure budgets. More than just a cleanup tool, this machine reflects a shift in environmental thinking, from reactive to preventative, from massive to modular. It helps cities take control of river pollution at its source, protecting marine life improving water quality and giving communities a cleaner, healthier future. Quietly patrolling lakes and rivers, this compact garbage collection boat uses a front conveyor to gather floating waste with ease. It's efficient, low emission, and perfectly suited for tight waterways where larger vessels can't operate. Innovation doesn't always require heavy machinery. In this clip, engineering students from Chulalongkorn University present their low-cost, human-powered trash cleaning wheel, a simple yet smart solution for floating debris in canals and rivers. As the wheel rotates with the current or manual push, it guides waste into a collection net using paddles and mesh. No fuel, no electricity, just clever mechanics and practical design. It's a perfect example of how young minds are reimagining sustainability through accessible, community-driven technology. Sometimes, the best solutions are also the simplest. Seen here in action are automated trash rack cleaners, essential tools for keeping irrigation and drainage systems running smoothly. As water flows into canals and pumping stations, these mechanical arms remove leaves, plastic, and floating debris that would otherwise block grates and damage equipment. The cleaning system uses rotating rakes or grabbers to lift and dispose of waste, often depositing it into a nearby bin for easy collection. This continuous maintenance reduces manual labor, improves water flow, and prevents costly clogs during peak seasons. Reliable and low maintenance, these machines are crucial for agricultural regions and urban drainage networks alike. Clean intake points mean cleaner water, more efficient operations, and a reduced risk of flooding. In large-scale water infrastructure, keeping intake grates clear of debris is vital for both safety and efficiency. Here, we see Enerquip's trash rack cleaning machines, or TRCMs, at work. These advanced systems are designed to automate the removal of leaves, plastic, wood, and sediment that accumulate at the entrance of hydropower plants, pumping stations, and irrigation systems. Each TRCM is custom-built for its installation site, adapting to different water flow rates, trash rack sizes, and site-specific constraints. Mounted on rails or fixed arms, the cleaning head moves vertically and horizontally, using robust steel tines or grabbers to sweep along the grating. As debris is lifted from the water, it's either deposited into a collection hopper or dropped into a conveyor for transfer to storage or disposal. What makes Enerquip's solution so effective is its reliability in harsh, demanding environments. Whether operating during floods, snowmelt seasons, or 24/7 hydropower output, the TRCM performs with consistent precision. Sensors monitor water level differentials and trash load, triggering automatic cleaning cycles only when needed, saving energy and extending equipment lifespan. The mechanical components are engineered for durability. Galvanized steel frames, reinforced hydraulic arms, and sealed gearboxes ensure long-term resistance against corrosion, impact, and wear. Routine maintenance is minimal, often just lubrication and basic inspections, reducing downtime for critical infrastructure. Beyond functionality, these machines also improve worker safety. By eliminating the need for manual trash removal in fast-moving or deep water, the TRCM reduces the risk of injury and exposure to contaminated debris. Operators can manage the system remotely from a control station, with real-time monitoring and manual override if needed. Enerquip's machines come in various configurations, from compact vertical systems for narrow intakes to long-reach arm models for wide rivers or dams. Some units even integrate with SCADA systems for full automation within modern water management networks. In regions vulnerable to climate variability, Where sudden storms or upstream waste can quickly overwhelm intake systems, having a TRCM in place can mean the difference between smooth operations and emergency shutdowns. It ensures that turbines, pumps, and sluice gates receive steady, debris-free flow, boosting both efficiency and lifespan. From hydroelectric plants in Europe to irrigation systems in Southeast Asia, Enerquip's technology is helping modernize water infrastructure with smarter, cleaner, and safer solutions. Machines like these are quiet guardians of the system, protecting performance behind the scenes 24 hours a day. Keeping trash racks clear is a critical part of maintaining efficient and safe water infrastructure. In this footage, we see a robust trash rack cleaning machine in operation, designed to prevent blockages at intake points for dams, pumping stations, and irrigation networks. The system works by deploying a mechanical rake or grabber that travels vertically along the guide track. As it descends, it sweeps or collects accumulated debris from the metal grate. Once gathered, the debris is lifted and deposited into a chute or container for easy removal, keeping the water intake unblocked and flowing freely. This automated cleaning process eliminates the need for manual labor in dangerous areas, such as fast-moving rivers or flood-prone zones. It significantly reduces maintenance time, while ensuring reliable flow during peak demand. Built with industrial-grade steel and hydraulic systems, the machine is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Rain, mud, or heavy debris loads, none of these stop the cleaning cycle. With minimal moving parts and smart sensors, it can operate autonomously or be remotely triggered by an operator. Not only does this technology protect the physical infrastructure, but it also reduces energy consumption and the risk of damage to downstream equipment like turbines and pumps. Cleaner intakes mean better performance and less downtime across the entire system. Simple, effective, and indispensable, machines like this are the unsung heroes that keep our water systems moving behind the scenes. Here's a quick look at a trash bin cleaning machine in action. Using high-pressure hot water and rotating nozzles, it deep cleans garbage bins inside and out, eliminating odors, bacteria, and residue in just seconds. Compact, mobile, and easy to operate, it's the perfect solution for keeping neighborhoods cleaner and more hygienic, one bin at a time. Mounted directly onto a specialized truck, this garbage can cleaning system uses a powerful hydraulic lift to grab and flip bins into a sealed washing chamber. Inside, high-pressure spinning nozzles blast away grime, bacteria, and residue using hot water, all powered by the truck's PTO system. Designed for speed and hygiene, the process takes just seconds per bin and eliminates the need for manual scrubbing. Wastewater is contained on board, keeping streets clean and preventing runoff. With growing demand for cleaner urban environments, systems like these offer a fast, eco-conscious way to sanitize public and residential waste bins, all while on the move. Let's take a look at Sparkling Bin's high-performance Wheelie bin cleaners, equipped with advanced 360-degree cleaning heads. Once the bin is lifted into position, powerful nozzles rotate inside the chamber, spraying hot, high-pressure water in every direction, ensuring complete interior and exterior sanitation. This automated system removes stubborn grime, sticky residue, and harmful bacteria in under a minute. The spinning heads reach all corners of the bin, leaving no trace behind and eliminating foul odors without any harsh chemicals. All wastewater is collected in a sealed tank onboard, preventing runoff and keeping city streets clean. The entire setup is mounted on a mobile platform, allowing cleaning crews to serve multiple neighborhoods in a single trip. Fast, efficient, and eco-conscious. With user-friendly controls, stainless steel components, and minimal maintenance needs, this system is built for long-term operation. It's the perfect solution for residential bin services, municipalities, and commercial properties seeking a higher standard of hygiene. Clean bins mean cleaner communities, and sparkling bins makes that process effortless and sustainable.